Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, yesterday I told you that Samsung is busy rolling out updates after updates, and today also it's no different. Today also Samsung has rolled out some huge updates for some device. So in this video I will show you which device has received which updates. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, few days ago I made a video and informed you guys that Samsung is preparing to roll out One UI 8.5 beta for Galaxy Z7 series. And yes guys, today finally Galaxy Z7 Fold and Galaxy Z7 Flip has got the beta 1, and you can see this is the first beta for Samsung Galaxy Z7 series. And guys, the update size is huge. As you can see, it's around 4 GB and it's come with February security page update. So guys, if you live in India, Korea, USA, UK, Poland or Germany, if you live in these countries and if you have a Galaxy Fold 7 and Galaxy Flip 7, and if you have already joined the beta program, then go to settings and check for the updates. You will receive this One UI 8.5 beta 1 update. And guys, not just this, Samsung has also rolled out One UI 8.5 Beta 7 for Samsung Galaxy S25 series. As you can see, this is the beta. The size is around 1 GB, the update size, and it comes with a lot of changes. These are the change log. You can read. Pause the video and you can read it. Most of the change log is about bug fix. So guys, if you have S25 series and if you live in supported beta countries, then you might receive this update. Just go to settings and check for the updates. You will get this One UI 8.5 beta 7 update. In India, it's a beta 6, but globally it's beta 7. And all the Samsung users who are waiting for One UI 8.5 official update, this might be the good news because this could be the last One UI 8.5 beta for S25 series. Now I think next update will be One UI 8.5 official update for Samsung S25 series. So after S25 series gets the One UI 8.5 official update, then other device like S24, S23 AM series will start receiving update. Like in India, we call it Danadan. Then we will start receiving update Danadan, update after update. All right. So guys, these were the updates which Samsung's roll out today. And also guys, if you want this One UI 8.5 phone app to install on your One UI 8 phones, then I have previously uploaded a video. Just go and watch that video. And if you have any questions, just comment below. I will definitely reply. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye. Take care.